Seriously? No protection?
Nope.
Are you crazy? We gotta have someone. How about just a small army?
No.
A regiment of rock god?
No.
A battalion of swordfish?
For the last time, no! Try and concentrate. We have to find Michael.
A silent attaché, perhaps?
This is it. We're there.
Sorry, guys. Babysitter was late. Again! Why does this always happen to me?
That's okay. That's cool, man. I just got here myself. I had to install new curtains.
That's just embarrassing, man.
So did you go with the translucent laminaria digitata?
Oh, no. She had to have her Japanese kelp.
All right, you chumps, listen up. You know the drill. No tackling, no brawling, and cuddles. No incidents.
It was just a nibble.
Can we play some ball now?
I got it. Ah! Uh-oh!
Michael! Michael, I need...
Hey, buddy. Be right back.
Somehow, please. We're doomed.
Hey, guys!
What?
You're going the wrong way!
Bubbles!
Michael, she's been kidnapped.
What?
She's gone. Coming through.
Take it like a shark, dude. Yeah!
Viperfish took Lena.
Where'd they take her?
The Valley of the Graves?
Do you know where that is?
No.
I have to find her.
Do not worry, okay? You'll see, everything's gonna be okay.
Well, there's something else.